Hi guys, my name is Priscilla, and a few things about me is I'm a dog lover and I'm a car lover, and I started this car show behind me. See all these cars? I did that. I'm a really big car fanatic and I own a car club and I started car shows. So I thought maybe you guys could follow my adventures through my dog fun and my car show fun and whatever else I do in my life. So follow me. We have at least about 50 cars here we managed to get tonight. This is our first cruise night ever.
Priscilla, your dad get here yet?
Yeah, he's down that way. He's in the restaurant.
Oh, all right.
We have at least 50 cars here, so extremely successful. These are my friends. Say hi, guys. They're helping me out with the car shows right now. These are my best buddies here. They're gonna be part of the adventure too. I'm filming a vlog. Oh, hi! And I thought, why not start with my first vlog with my car cruise, my first ever one. So what do you guys think of it? Woo! Woo! We're waiting for food, so. Yeah. Okay, so we got another angle here. These are all the shows. We've got about 50, oh my God. These are all the cars. We've got at least 50 cars here. We just picked out the winners. I'm gonna be having somebody film me, making the announcements and everything, but here you have it. This is the successful outcome of what my BP and I and all our members did. It took a lot of work, but well worth it.
Alright guys, so we're going to actually start out with the door prizes here. We've got a few female door prizes and a few male door prizes. So let's start with the female ones. That's the red ticket. So all the girls out there, look at your red tickets, okay? I think we got about 4 female door prizes. They're going to be to the right. Alright, so okay. So our first winner is 422007. All right, so pick any prize to the right.
Take a trophy. Take 2 trophies.
Okay, we're gonna pick our next one. All right. Our next female door prize winner is 422013.
There you go. Did anybody win it?
Anybody? 422013.
Yeah, Priscilla, this is from my wife.
It's your wife.
I'm going, don't quote it, don't quote it.
Do you want to pick for her?
No, I don't.
No? Just grab something. You can grab, you can get her a lotion. Get her a lotion. All right.
That's for you, Jimmy.
Congratulations, Jimmy.
Hey, Strip Masters, that's it.
There you go.
All right, we got 2 more for the female door prize. Okay, we've got 422014. Anybody? 422014?
Bueller.
All right, I guess she left. Okay, next one.
No, you're good, you're good.
422011. Oh, that's me! Woo!
Allie!
All right, Allie. Here, give me the ticket. You're going for that mug? All right, one more female door prize. Last one for today, guys. Okay, we have got 422012. 422012? No? All right. Gone.
Gone.
Okay. Let's see if this one will be the lucky last winner. 422006. 422006. We got it? All right. You got yourself that amazing hand wash soap right there. So. Here, can I just have the ticket? Let me just take that. Thank you. Okay. All right. On to the males. We've got Pumpernickel. They donated a glass right there, and then we've got 4 other door prize tickets right there. So let's start. Those are the blue tickets, everybody. Okay. We've got 913016. 913016. All right.
All right.
All right. Oh, don't worry about it. All those things right next to the trophies. Yeah, that is true. That is true. You just help me hold down the flyers. All right, here, Beth. Okay. We've got 913017. 913017. Congratulations. Pick whatever you like.
You're gonna come out looking for you.
913001. 913001.
You know Zach?
You're welcome.
Yeah, he just liked my picture. Yeah, on Instagram. Do you follow me on Instagram?
Okay. 913021. 913021. One of those.
Gone now.
All right, we got one more door prize left, guys.
Does that even do anything, the fuel stabilizer?
It has to clean your injectors from all the carbon.
All right.
Build up on.
Right. They sell it at 7-Eleven, so I don't know how I feel about it. You know.
All right. 913022.
Check that ticket.
That's all our door prizes.
You want me to keep this going?
Now, we're going to announce the trophies in a moment, but since this is the first ever Mopars of Westchester Cruise Night, there's just a small little speech I want to say, if everybody can just bear with me. So all I can say is that this is absolutely amazing. You know, I've always been into cars. A lot of you know that ever since I was a little girl. There was always something about them that it just appealed to me. And I always had this feeling that they would somehow end up being a big part of my life, especially growing up with my father, who owned 3 beautiful classic cars himself. Many of you actually know him and always ask where he is. Dad, you should take that as a hint, by the way. He's right over there.
You have to bring your cars to car shows. That's what you
Everybody
gotta
misses
do.
you and are always asking where you are.
Oh,
So
right
take that as a
here,
hint,
boys.
okay? All right.
There he is.
So let's fast forward a few years later, specifically my early teenage years, when I got introduced to my first car show thanks to him. We went into his 1952 Chevy convertible, and after that I was hooked. Never in my dreams did I think about 10 years later I'd be starting up my own car club where we would be creating our own cruise nights and shows. Nor did I ever think I would save up and buy myself my own dream car, my Dodge Challenger right there. Took me 2 years to save up for that. So there's a few quick thank yous I'd like to make. I'd like to thank Frankie, Rob, Jimmy from the Shipmasters of Westchester for their amazing support and advice. Without their guidance, I don't know if any of this would ever be possible. Bobby Bounce with all the announcements he's made. All of Rock and Rods, Basil and everybody in Moonlight Cruisers, Latin Cruisers, and any other local clubs that have welcomed ours in with open arms. My vice president and my amazing club members, you all have been so supportive, and I can't ask for a better group of people. And most importantly, everybody who came out tonight to show their support, so thank you so much again, everybody. All right, you guys ready for the 5 lucky winners tonight?
Let's do it.
Okay, so our first ever winner of Mopars of Westchester Cruise Night. First one goes to a 2015 Chevy Corvette ND4 HP. So, first trophy goes to, it's a little bit getting hard to see here. The first trophy is going to be going to you. And this one's sponsored by Alfred DeFalco Electric. All right. Second sponsor is by Zimbardo Chiropractic Office.
Jonathan.
Yes, Jonathan. Check him out, guys. He's good. All right. That goes to a 2016 Hellcat Charger, HFB 3491.
And they went home.
Congratulations.
Thank you.
There you go.
Okay. Next one is donated by T&L Trophies. They are the trophy company that made these beautiful trophies. They did an amazing job. Yeah, for Todd. All right. This one goes to a 1970 Plymouth GTX HX14074.
A 2007 Ford?
Yeah,
Perhaps at one show it will.
This trophy is donated by the restaurant that gave us the space, so everybody just give them a good thank you as well, because we wouldn't have had any of this possible without Pumpernickel. And Pumpernickel also donating trophies. So this one is sponsored by Pumpernickel Bar and Grill. And the winner is a 1934 silver Ford, Bud's 34. And last trophy is donated by me, by my company, K9 Time LLC, a dog walking and pet sitting company. Last trophy goes to a 1969 Pontiac Firebird GLS 1777.
There he is.
Congratulations. You're welcome. Okay, guys. 172. 172. All right. So I need my volunteer here to pick our 50-50 winner for $172.
Shake 'em up.
All right. Chris, don't look in there. Just stick your hand in, look straight at the audience, and pick your ticket.
Pick a good one, Chris.
Oh, and also all club members do participate. I bought some of my members did, so there could be a possibility one of them do win. This is your ticket. All right, guys. Winner is 234185. 234185.
Woo!
Congratulations. Okay, guys. So that's it. I'd like to thank everybody else again for coming. Let's leave quietly, please. So thank you again, everybody. See you all in 2 weeks.
So we went to go see Teenage Mutant Ninja Turtles 2 after the show, and it's 12:05 p.m. What an adventurous day, huh? Yeah. We're waiting. One of my best friends that you saw earlier before and her boyfriend went to go see The Conjuring. We're like, no, we're not seeing a horror movie. So we're just waiting for her to get out. She should be out about 10-15 minutes, and I guess we'll go home after that, as much as none of us want to.
Nice
but
long nap.
yeah, so yeah, there you have it. So we found our friends. They finally got out of their freaking Conjuring movie with ghosts or whatever. I don't have a channel name yet when I filmed this, so I have no clue what this channel is even called yet. But yeah, feel free to like and subscribe. Leave a comment if you like my adventures. Be a lot more car shows. Gonna probably film some dogs. I'm currently driving my Challenger, driving my friend here filming home. We're leaving the movie theater. I don't know if you could hear that. So thank you for watching, guys.